Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're in the wife's garage and we're going to take on some interior work for the 64 Falcon. As you can see, these are the rear seats and they're completely disgusting and gross. If your seats look like this is the show you want to watch. We can help you with this. We're going to show you today how to reupholster these. Super cheap, super easy. Good results for what this car is going to end up being. And we'll go through the step by step. We're going to start on the bottom first and we'll show you how easy it is. Okay guys, here we go. First thing we have to do is we have to take this nasty old covering off. The seat frames, best tools for this, some rubber gloves, and a razor blade. And like so, you can see on the bottom of these old upholsteries are held in by a series of hog rings. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut away all this old upholstery. We're going to go back and remove all the hog rings. It's just easier that way instead of trying to wrestle each of the hog rings while the upholstery is still on the seat frame.